welcome to
Marrakech.
Marrakech.
Yes. This is our last leg of our Moroccan trip.
Great city. As you can see.
We are on the main square, Jema El Fna.
Yes.
We're really unprepared, but we have heard many don'ts about the place. We'll try to focus on the do's.
On the do's. We will also show you how to escape this madness, because just 3 hours away is the Atlantic Ocean. So let's go! Good morning.
Good morning. We're starting our Marrakech exploration. We wanted to start at
the Museum of Photography, because they're supposed to have a great rooftop terrace, but during Ramadan all the opening times are different.
Yeah.
So we are too early, although we are here
at 9:15.
They open on time, so let's go in. So the exhibition is really nice, especially if you're interested in photography, and also if you're not. The architecture of the building is really nice, the view from the rooftop as well. But now we're continuing to the next place.
The Medina and the souks of Marrakech is very similar to Fez.
Really nice, colorful, many spices, but just be careful if people are approaching you on the street, wanting to help you with stuff you don't need. So common sense and feel free to get it. And really important, haggling. Do not take the first prize. Orange juice time, but first you always add a little bit to try.
Jema El Fna plays during the day. The reason why we're filming, because you hear the music in the background. This is the music of the snake charmers. They stick to the southern part of the square, and also the people who try to put monkeys on you and then for taking pictures and getting money from you. We're not going to film them, just stay clear of them. We have made our way to Palace Bahia.
Yes.
The streets are really busy. Now let's see what this actually is.
One thing I definitely didn't miss about traveling is the crowd.
The palace was nice.
Really nice. We maybe just chose a bad timing.
Maybe
we were here at 12 at noon, so maybe come right in the morning or before closing hours, because right now it was just too full.
Hungry. While we're eating, we're going to take you to the Atlantic Ocean.
Because you can escape the madness of Marrakech just in 3 hours.
3 hours from Marrakech. The tour was 200 per person.
200 dirham.
Yeah, it's 3 hours in all. And it was really nice. The fish market.
The old part, the Jewish part,
Muslim
you
part.
can walk on the beach, you can have fish lunch.
Just maybe don't expect swimming in the ocean because it's quite rough, and of course it is cold because it is the Atlantic. Now back to Marrakech.
So we have a combined ticket for the Jardin Majorelle, the Berber Museum, and something else. I will tell you inside. Let's go.
Gardens are really nice.
Really nice. So beautiful. Palm trees, cacti.
Yeah, you can escape the heat a little bit, and it's also less crowded than the palace.
Yes,
in the
and you can
Medina.
choose between 3 tickets. So one ticket for Yves Saint Laurent Museum, one ticket for the Jardin Majorelle, and the Berber Museum, which is actually in this blue building, the most famous building actually in the gardens. We really like the Berber Museum. Now let's check out the Yves Saint Laurent Museum.
Yeah, and we got here by bus. Just hopped on, said La Majorelle, and it was 4 dirham per person.
4 dirham per person, and it was number 12.
Oh, you checked. Very good. Very good.
Yeah, we have to pay.
There you go, lady.
Third time's a charm.
Okay, haggling in Marrakech. Because it is a really touristy place, they start extremely high. So I don't know, for some reason we don't have the energy and the time to
So we
haggle
just say thank you and go.
for a normal price. So be prepared for that. They start really high. Another addition to our haggling course, we just asked for some shoes, and the first offer was 600 dirham. And in 2 seconds later, it was down to 300. So be careful. We are finishing where we started, on Jama El Fna.
So the main square.
Marrakech.
Lovely.
Lovely. It seems to be the main hub for traveling around Morocco.
Yes, it's way more touristy than Fez. People use it to go to the desert.
And here. And there are still many places that we could have visited, but we didn't really have time for that.
Maybe plan a day more for Marrakech.
Yeah.
At least we had enough a day, let's say, because we saw Fez before, but if you're just traveling North Morocco, maybe, no, South Morocco. But if you're traveling South Morocco, maybe plan a day more in Marrakech.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful
Yeah.
so that you can decide what to do, what to see here. See you next time.
See you next time.